endorsed directors and officers versus standalone directors and officers. Is your directors and officers coverage endorsed onto your general liability policy for your homeowners association? Your policy may say directors and officers coverage, but the deck pages giveth, and the policy taketh away with the exclusions. The top 3 claims against a board and its decisions are not covered on endorsed policies. A standalone policy that is separate from your general liability and property coverages is more comprehensive. It includes discrimination, breach of contract, and non-monetary lawsuits. Please reach out to us. I'm Andrew Bateman with Powell, Angeli, and Langford Insurance. We work with hundreds of homeowners associations, making sure that they are properly protected for their decisions. Please have your insurance for your community audited by our agency. Thank you for the opportunity.